Hi, today I'm going to show you how to sign into your library account and some of the things that you can do while you're in there. In order to do this, you're going to need to have your student ID handy. So I'm going to click on the sign in link on the red bar at the top of the screen on the right hand side. And my user ID is going to be 01250 plus the 5 digits from the back of your ID card. For this video, I've made a test patron whose ID number is 12345. The very first time that you log in, your password is going to be the same as your username. So 01250 12345, and I'm going to sign in. From here, if I hover over my account, I have a list of options. The first thing I want to do when I initially sign in is go ahead and change my password to something a bit more secure. So you can type your password in here and then create a new, more secure password underneath and then click Save. I can also see how many items I've got checked out, and if I need to, I can click on the items and renew them. So it'll tell me one item renewed, and if this actually were due, it would update the due date. But as it is, the due date is April 30th, which is about a month away. I can see books that I have checked out over the course of the year from my checkout history. So if I need to look back for some reason and find a book that I used earlier in the semester, I can do that. If I have any overdue fines or charges, I can see that under my charges. And if I placed anything on hold, I can do that here. We usually use holds at Chatlass Library for situations where another student has the book checked out, but you need it after they're done. It's not a commonly used thing, but if you have any holds, they will be listed here. One other thing that you can do is use lists once you're logged into your account. So if I go to search and I search for, say I'm writing a paper on Charles Dickens. Go back up and try that again. So I'm looking through here and I find several books that I'm interested in looking at. But I don't have time to come to the library and do it right now. What I can do is scroll back up to the top of the results screen and I can save selected records. So anything that's got a check mark beside it, I can save into a new list, or if I've got an existing list, I can add it in there. I'm going to create a new list and say this is English Lit Research Paper and click Save. Now if I close this and go back to my titles, here's my list. Here are my books. I can just pull this up, and when I go to the library, I know exactly what I'm looking for and where I'm going. You can also email. Let me select all of these. You can email them to yourself or your school email or personal email so that you have them that way. And it'll say email sent. So it's just a couple of things that you can do from your account. If you have any difficulty logging in or if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you need us, you can contact us by clicking on this Email a Librarian link on the left-hand side of the screen. and choosing this. That will send an email to all library staff, and the first person that's available will respond and get back to you, and we'll try to help you as best we can. All right, I will see you in another video. Thanks.